wet weather rolling across the heartland, but it's not expected to produce a tremendous amount of precipitation. But still, for those of you who do have to go to work or do still have to get kids ready for school, make sure that you're grabbing your umbrella as well as they are grabbing their rain jackets, because we do have these morning hours containing with some light showers rolling over the area. And right along the Missouri and Iowa border, we are even seeing a little bit of that freezing rain mix. But there are some indications that we're not going to pick up a tremendous amount, especially of that freezing precipitation. A majority of the area really looking at just very light rain showers, and then the possibility of just some isolated chances remaining into the early afternoon. So not a lot of precipitation, but still something that you'll be contending with, especially through the first few hours this morning. So taking a look at our futurecast here, we do get some areas of more moderate rain. That'll be right down along Highway 36 mainly. Could see it spreading a little bit further north, but overall it really scatters out, especially as you cross over into southeast Iowa. So a lot of us, especially north of Highway 36, looking at the likelihood of seeing less than 1/10 of an inch. It's areas here along Highway 36 that have the best chance at seeing anything close to maybe like 1/4 of an inch of rain. But by the early afternoon hours, most of this already pushing east of the Mississippi River, and then leaving us with just a healthy cloud deck and kind of an overcast looking day today. So a bit of a grungy and gray looking forecast, but otherwise, yeah, not a lot to contend with except for the morning hours. So how much rain are we going to be looking at? Mainly about 1/4 of an inch is the possibility down here along Highway 36, and then about less than 1/10 of an inch, especially, like I said, as you get closer and then north of the Missouri and Iowa border. So just make sure you're grabbing your umbrella or your rain jacket before you head out the door, but be aware there are better chances and stronger chances for even stronger storms moving on in for later on during the work week. But as for your day planner, going hour by hour, it's going to be a little bit of a cooler one here, kind of in line with what we just felt over the weekend. Temperature wise, we're only reaching into the mid and upper 40s here, with those isolated rain chances lasting into the early afternoon hours. Lighter winds as well, but overall just mainly cloudier conditions that will be existing here over the heartland. Overnight tonight, it's going to get a little bit on the cooler side once again. Lows dropping into the mid and lower 30s, so make sure to bundle up if you have plans to go out tonight or if you're an early riser tomorrow. And then light winds now switching out from the west-northwest between about 3 to 5 miles an hour. But it's not going to be bringing in a cooler weather pattern. It's actually going to be bringing in a warmer one. But with that warmer weather will come the activity what I was mentioning in the first forecast and earlier here during the forecast, where we're having chances for some storms. This is tomorrow's outlook with a general thunderstorm outlook over the heartland. So maybe a few rumbles of thunder, especially later in the day, but Wednesday and then into Thursday, we're keeping closer eyes on stronger storm potential, because take a look at some of these temperatures. Wednesday, 60 degrees. Thursday, the possibilities of being near 70 degrees, which will create a rather energetic atmosphere here in the heartland. But for now, stick with us. We'll be right back.